And the Warriors led by 20 earlier on. A nervous crowd to their feet. And Curry against Tucker on top.
And back to the isolation one-on-one ball.
It's Durant with Shumpert defending, and Kevin Durant laces one through.
And he's hurt.
He is holding on to his right Achilles as Harden works into Iguodala, who just picked up the Golden State foul.
As soon as he made that shot, he started
Look
limping.
at this. Look at this. Wow. I don't
Saying
think
he has that,
but
this is exactly what
it is.
Kobe did. There's no one around him, but you think someone hits you in the back of the leg. He makes it, and he's running down.
He goes to the locker room, and this is a major story. Timeout.
Here's the shot made by Kevin Durant, and I've heard this from numerous people who have torn their Achilles. Well, I'm not saying this has happened to Kevin Durant, but they say it feels like someone kicks them right in their Achilles. No one was around Kevin Durant, but he felt like someone was. And we hope that's not the case for KD.
Durant has averaged 45 minutes a game in this series. Durant has played 32 tonight. Thompson and Curry have both